Hello dear children, let's continue NCERT Political Science Chapter 1 Power Sharing. Until now we have learned what is power sharing, case study of Belgium and Sri Lanka, majoritarianism in Sri Lanka and accommodation in Belgium. Today we will discuss about why power sharing is desirable, means why power sharing is so useful and advisable. Children, if we want to list down the reasons why we should be doing power sharing, there are two great reasons. Number 1, prudential. Number 2, moral. What is prudential, children? Here decision based on prudence or on careful calculations of gains and losses. You can say it reduces the possibility of conflicts between the social groups, since social conflicts often leads to violence and political instability. Yes, children, you can put the example of Belgium and Sri Lanka because in Belgium, when government shared the power between two communities, it reduced the conflicts between it. If we don't do power sharing, it might lead to social conflicts. I know it looks attractive to give to rule the majority, but it's not a good thing in a long run in a democracy. So it was the one reason. Hope it is clear. Another reason is it is a good way to ensure the stability of political order. How, children? So in a democracy, we know the rule is by the people, of the people and for the people. So children, it's the essence of democracy that we have to give equal representation, equal rights to all the sections of the society. And how can we do that? By sharing the political power among all the sections of the society. So children, it was the prudential reason. Another reason is moral reason. What is moral reason, children? Power sharing is the spirit of democracy. Yes, without sharing power, a country will not be democratic. So, until now, we understood two stories or two case studies of Belgium and Sri Lanka, and we also understood why power sharing is important. Because it reduces the possibility of social conflicts and it keeps a sense of the democracy. Now, the question comes, how do we actually share power in democracy? There are various ways, children. So, we will discuss about forms of power sharing. You can see your NCERT book, page number 8.